In this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the vector trim brush inside of Adobe Fresco. Okay, to use this tool, we want to be using our vector brushes. So this tool only works with the vector brushes. It doesn't work with your live brushes, like your watercolor brushes, or with your pixel brushes. So go ahead and select one of your vector brushes. This one, I'm using a slightly adjusted round jitter pen, but any of the vector brushes will work. And basically what we want to do is just draw our artwork. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a leaf shape, and I'm going to make a few mistakes just to illustrate this point. Okay, so we've got our vector line, and what we're going to do now is we're going to use our touch shortcut, which is this little circle that's always hiding, so you may not have used it before, or you may have. To switch this on, we're just going to double tap, and now you can see that it is circled in blue. What we want is to activate the outer ring of the touch shortcut, which is the vector trim tool. What this does is it allows you to trim off sections or entire strokes of your vector lines. So once I've got this trim tool activated, what I can do is I can just cross my pen across a vector line, and it removes just that section. And I can just keep trimming off sections that I don't want. If you want to remove an entire stroke, we just want to do 3 swipes. 1, 2, 3, and it removes the whole entire stroke. So let me just go over that briefly one more time. What this tool is doing is we are removing different strokes. Okay, so when I activate the touch shortcut and choose the second rim, which is the vector trim tool, one stroke will remove the section of the line until it intersects with another stroke. So a single stroke, okay. So if I do one single stroke to cross over the line, it will remove that section. However, if I do 3 strokes, it removes the entire stroke, okay. So I can remove, see where this intersection is here? This point here is where it's going to remove our stroke. So 1, 2, 3. So that's awesome for when you're doing vector line work and you've made some mistakes and you kind of want to fix them up. I love this tool. So let's say we can do a leaf shape. Now we want to do this leaf shape here, but whoops, I've just gone over a little bit. Easy peasy. Instead of erasing it, I can just remove the stroke.